Oh, so the wild dogs visit from the outside.
Yeah.
They come and...
You can see the spores here. Two dogs, two male dogs.
Wait, where's the...
Here's a spore. You can see
Oh,
it
yeah.
right here. But then he's not. So I think through smell.
Good morning internet, it is 8 o'clock in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this first morning here in Zimbabwe. I'm having some oatmeal for breakfast and I'm also at the same time trying to figure out this Zimbabwean money because I bought some groceries in the shop and I paid in US dollars. It cost me 15 US dollars for some lunch and some, what was it? Some croissants. They had croissants. And I got some of this, and it was 1232.87 Zimbabwean dollars, and then I paid in US dollars, and then this is what I returned back. 20, 40, 50, 52 Zimbabwean dollars. But the way I calculate it now, this 52 Zimbabwean dollars is probably like 50 US dollars cents. So it's almost nothing. And the people that are running the backpackers here, they explain me a little bit about the money situation in Zimbabwe, but it's rather confusing. So they have the Zimbabwean dollars and they accept US dollars everywhere, but then there's several exchange rates, and some banks, if you go to the ATM, they'll actually only give you US dollars. But the rate that you get differs between about 85 Zimbabwean dollars to the US dollar to 130, but I'm not sure exactly yet how to get the best rates. I think, what did they say now? Definitely not swipe a card anywhere. But anyway, I will figure it out as I go through the country. Luckily I always have US dollars with me, cash, in any country that I go to, because you never know, and US dollars are pretty much worldwide still like the most accepted currency. So almost everywhere you can still pay with US dollars or exchange them or something like that. So I'm glad that I brought those. But anyway, today is actually going to be, I think, a long day. I have quite a long ride planned because in the previous video I only rode, what was it, 85 kilometers or something to Victoria Falls here. And I just really feel like a whole day on the bike. So I'm quickly going to finish this and pack Savannah. And then I'll show you what the plans for today. Here we have Zimbabwe and I am now here right at the Victoria Falls, still very close to the border with Zambia and Botswana. And I actually don't really know where I'm going today. Eventually I want to go to Bulawayo, but this is over 500 kilometers. So I don't know if I can manage that in one day, also because I want to make a stop somewhere in between. So yeah, let's see. I'll be riding at least in this area today and maybe I'll make it all the way to Bulawayo. Oh, just missed the gate. Right, first I need to fill up on petrol. Blend. What is that? Good morning. Is that blend? Is that 95 or 93? Blend, is it 95 or 93?
90.
90?
It's 90.
90.
Blend.
Oh, okay. Petrol, yeah?
Yeah, petrol.
Petrol, okay.
So you want for how much?
Full,
Full tank.
yeah.
It's cash, no swipe.
I have US dollar cash. Sorry?
Fill it up.
Yes, yeah. And this one also.
This one is for fuel. Okay, yeah.
And then can I give the rest in Zimbabwean dollar? Or not? How does it work? How do you want to do this? How do you do this normally? Yeah? It's okay? Okay, bye. Police stop. All good. There are a lot of these police checkpoints everywhere. I don't really seem to check very much, but... Hello! Thank you! I have to pay some toll here. I think this is a toll road. Hello.
Just pass by that.
Sorry?
Pass by that side.
Park there?
Yeah.
Okay. I can go? Oh, okay. I'm so confused. I thought he said park over there. Maybe not. Maybe motorcycles don't have to pay anything. Not sure. I have just left the main road, and from here it's 7.6 kilometer to quite a special place, quite cool. It's a conservation center for African wild dog. So on the entire African continent there's only 7,000 African wild dogs left, and about 10% of that number lives here in Zimbabwe, about 700 animals. And the place that I want to visit today, they are educating people about the animals, and I think they also have kind of a hospital to treat sick or injured animals. And so I just wanted to have a look there. Oh, they call them painted dog. Painted dog conservation. Let's go check this place out. Sorry, what was your name?
Tanaka.
Tanaka. Nice to meet you. How long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years. Wow.
If we have a dog, let's say, that has a broken leg,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a small space, we can actually monitor the dog quite easily.
But they're all from the wild. Like
Yes.
you rescue them when they something wrong with them.
Yeah. Well, the dogs come in, due to different situations.
Yeah.
We have those that go through snare wires,
Yeah.
Poaching.
Poaching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then we have those that that are run over by cars and then they survive somehow.
Right.
We have those that are attacked by lions, hyenas. So
Right.
if they survive,
Yeah.
then if we find
They'll
the
come
dog,
here.
you'll see Lucky. She was attacked by a lion and then she survived.
Oh.
So that's how we named their life.
Why?
Um,
That's indeed lucky.
yeah.
You try to bring them back to health, and then they'll go back to the
yes,
wild.
Yes. They'll go
Right.
back to their packs. They'll go back to their original packs out there. But then
Okay.
if the dog, let's say, doesn't have a pack anymore, we can try introducing the dog to other dogs
Okay.
to create a pack. But
And
then,
there are about 700 wild dogs in Zimbabwe, right?
yes,
So
probably less.
less.
We have a lot of poaching situation going on.
Right.
A lot of road accidents, rabies, canine distemper.
Oh, there's rabies
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Ah.
This is our small enclosure.
Oh, there, I see one.
Yeah, that's a survivor. Like in peanut on this side.
So this is the male then, or not?
This is the male, yes.
Okay. Survivor. Oh, they're quite big, eh? Quite big. Hey. Oh. Wow, beautiful.
But then he's not. So I think through smell. So if you have a new dog, you can just put the dog in either clinic cage. This.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And then, if
Then they
we-
quarantine first and then...
Yes, yes. And then if we want to move, let's say, like in peanut from this side, we just use this raceway.
Ah, yeah, they can go through. Yeah.
Come through, and then if you want to move them to the clinic, to the big enclosure this side, so
Yeah.
just come through this side.
Yeah.
Even to move from the big enclosure to the side, just through there, through
Yeah.
this there.
Oh, so the wild dogs visit from the outside.
Yeah.
They come and... Oh,
You can see those fours here. Two dogs, two male dogs.
wait, where's the...
Here's a spore. You can see
Oh,
it
yeah.
right here. This is a spore.
Yeah. Oh, and there as
So
well.
they're playing around, yeah. And then playing with it, obviously you can see all
Oh,
the
there.
spores, yeah.
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 But do you think that was then the old pack of...
I know, it's
a new
another
pack.
Yeah, it's another pack.
Ah,
So you know, it's also we're trying to create another friendship, and this side it's the girls,
yeah.
and the pack which is outside, male dogs.
Is this also why you put this
Yes.
to protect
Yeah.
extra?
Yeah.
Ah. And what do you feed them?
We slaughter cows for the dogs which you have in here. So at least per dog we have to give from 3.5 kgs to 4 kgs each dog.
Oh,
Per
per
day.
day.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot
That's
of
a
meat.
whole lot of meat.
Yeah. That was really interesting and just lovely to see these wild dogs. I've never seen them in the wild, which is not so strange given that there's so few left. It's just so good to see these type of conservation efforts, because yeah, if not, then animals like these are just going to disappear, I'm afraid. You know, like 7,000 left in the whole continent. That's not a lot. It's not a lot. All right, let's continue. I still have a long way ahead of me, so let's get going again. Hi.
How is your journey?
It's good.
Yeah, enjoy.
How was your day?
It's okay.
It's okay.
So far, so good. Where are you going?
To Bulawayo.
To Blagai.
Yeah,
You're from
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Oh, you came here in Zimbabwe when?
2 days ago via Vic Falls.
Did you enjoy the journey?
It was good.
Thank you very much. Safe journey.
Thank you.
How is Netherlands?
It's good.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye. I keep on forgetting that place where I'm going to. Bulawayo. Bulawayo. Anyway, it's 70 kilometers left, and then I'm there. It's all just straight roads and trees on either side. It's kind of pretty, but at the same time it's just the same. Everywhere they're selling these carrots, and they are so super orange. They actually look amazing. Let me see how much these carrots cost. Hello. Hi. Oh, how much is your carrot? How much dollar?
$1 each bunch kumbe 20 rand. But 20 rand.
$1?
Yes.
$8.
For the one. Yeah, I'll have this one. Let's get some vitamins. Oh. Ah, you can keep it. Where do I put it? That's a good question. Bye! Vitamins, check! I have arrived in Bulawayo. Market or something. Somewhere here there's like a homestay type place. Maybe the next Africa Sun Homestay. Some doggies. Hey guys!
Hi.
Hi!
Welcome.
Thank you! Thank you!
Hey, Manny, shut up.
It's okay! Hey! Alright, what a cool place. Really nice little oasis. So Savannah can sit over there. And then this is my room. So that will be perfect for tonight. I am quite tired. I rode 520 kilometers today, which was quite a lot. And well, I only rode on the main road, on the paved road. There were some back roads at some point, I think, but I just didn't have time anymore to also ride those. It was just too far for today. But anyway, it was all good. It was kind of like the biggest distance that I had to ride kind of in Zimbabwe. From now on I've kind of entered like more the central area of Zimbabwe, so now the distances are a bit shorter, and so that will be much better for me, so I can do more off-roading and all of that. So this was just a stretch I just had to cover, but it was nice. I really enjoyed seeing the wild dogs. That was pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just really excited about all the other places in Zimbabwe. I've heard really good stories about it, and it has some really, really beautiful areas. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.